feel like I've been run over.
Yeah, we're on day 3.
Yeah?
Yeah, day 3. Day 3, and Joe is finished.
Yeah.
Too much bikes,
Been
too much
all day yesterday and today.
too much stimulation, too much social battery being used.
Yeah. I'm ready for a drink, some snacks, some sleep, and then Miami.
Yes, Miami tomorrow. But we just come out for one last stroll to have a nosy round and see what we could see. There are some very, very unique builds out here. I have never seen anything like it in my life. It is madness, but it has its own place, and so it is definitely worth coming. Definitely.
Yeah. It's the place to do it on a Harley, isn't it?
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah, 99.9% of the bikes are Harleys.
Yeah.
It's their thing.
If anybody tells you nobody's buying Harley Davidson, it's a lie. They're just all here.
They are.
That's how that company's staying, isn't it? Home market, and they know how to do it. So,
Definitely.
yeah. Should we stroll?
Yeah, let's keep going. Let's get a drink.
Morning.
It is morning. It's Sunday morning for us here in Daytona.
Last day.
Last day, yeah, we're checking out. So this morning we come down to the memorial, which we've
Jared told us about it, didn't he?
He did, and he did say to us, you need to come in the day, and when we got here we completely understand why you have to come in the day.
It's quite sizable.
I think
impressive.
Yeah, definitely. I was going to say I think there are lights, but I don't think they do it justice.
No.
So yeah, if you're ever over Daytona, it's just literally right on the beach.
I didn't bring my sunglasses.
Didn't bring his sunglasses, and neither did I. We packed the bike up, and then we just wanted to head out and come here. And to be fair, it's given a little bit of rain out today, but the weather
skip it.
is doing, but the weather seems to be doing opposite of the cloud and the rain.
Yeah. We come down to here. We've checked out the hotel, haven't we?
Yeah, we've been staying at the Daytona Grand Oceanfront Resort, I think.
It's a long name.
It is a long name, but if you're ever in Daytona for any event or anything, we cannot recommend our hotel enough.
Yeah,
it has been clean, it smelt nice when you walked in.
Staff are friendly.
Food's really good. The bar's really good.
Yeah, every bit of it.
Yeah,
really nice.
Parking
was
nice.
seamless.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you come into Daytona, even if it's out of season or from any of the bike rents or whatever you're doing, yeah, I'd definitely recommend
look up. And it was a really reasonable price as well. We booked through booking.com.
Yeah.
And they always have deals on and offers and different things. But yeah, really recommend the hotel. The room was really spacious. Really big bathroom. We were on the 27th floor. We will insert some footage. We have took some footage of the hotel, and it did make me feel a little queasy on the 27th floor, but it did mean we got a lovely view of the sea and a lovely view of like the main sort of street where everybody's been going down for.
We're looking right across the bay.
Biketober.
Waves have been beyond belief.
Yeah.
You haven't really seen the beach that you were supposed to see, have you? Because the tide is way up.
Because of Milton and a few other storms, the tide has been in, but I love the sea anyway, so I'm quite content just sat watching the waves crash against
beautiful.
The beach.
We saw a kid getting splashed earlier.
We did.
And they're trying to avoid the waves. But yeah, no, it's been really nice.
Really has.
Head down to Miami.
yeah.
See what we find.
Yeah, we haven't got a plan. We just know we're heading towards Miami. We're hoping for a coastal road as much as possible.
Yep, Highway 1.
Come with us and see what we see.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Are you on your way?
I'm on my ways. Going to Miami.
What's in Miami?
See what we see. I don't know. Stuff and things. We've just not been. So when I was looking, our choices were Orlando Disney, Universal, or Miami. And I thought, you know what? We'll go Miami and see what's there. That was the whole decision-making process around choosing where we were going on our holiday. Because we had a start and an end point of Daytona.
Oh, I know what you just did.
For Biketober Fest. Yeah, but see, I thought about it early on. I could have chatted away, and then you would have moaned that you can't hear me because of the wind, because I like my visor up. But yeah, we had a starting point for Biketober Fest and an ending point for Tampa, and the bit in between was just, let's see what we do. So why not go to Miami? Maybe even to one of the Keys if there's time allowing. But I like that it's quite fluid and flexible.
A lot of people still doing clear up.
Yeah, the storms have really caused some damage for people.
You're gonna catch the end of Main Street.
What, on the left in a minute?
Yep.
I'm ready. Safe bike parking.
The end of Biketober Fest.
It looks different in the day down there.
It certainly does. All the pack-ups happening.
Comes alive at night down there.
And that was Biketober Fest at Daytona Beach. See what we find in the rest of Florida.
Oh, you can see our hotel there behind me. Nice and the tallest one. We were in the tallest one.
At the top.
At the top penthouse. They knew that we were YouTubers and they thought we'll give them the penthouse.
Well, we're now going to the outhouse.
We've just got to Miami and we got wet. And he's tipping his boots out. Oh no. That one's not as bad. I do want to just show you all how cute our room is before we trash it.